Right, as you can see, I'm back at the Bramley Moore site. I've just started this and I bumped into another YouTuber, Paul Frost. I've just been having a little chat to him because I'm fairly new to this, so yeah, he's just been giving me some tips and tricks and some advice. So yeah, that was nice of him. Anyway, back to the video. I'm back at Bramley Moore. The last one I done, I got some great feedback. I haven't had any negative feedback, to be honest, so I'm quite happy with that. So I'm going to carry on doing these now. It just gives you the confidence to do more when people like what you're doing. So I'll crack on with the video. So in my last one, when I started, I did say I was going to wing it because I didn't know the setup of the building site or nothing. So I'm going to correct myself as I'm going round. So I'll have a little fly around, a little chat, and put myself right for my last video. Okay. Oh, let's get a little bit. I'm going to go around the outside because I haven't actually had permission off Everton yet. That's what Paul Frost said, that they're giving permission, but I haven't asked for it yet because, to be fair, I'm just sticking within the parameters that what I'm allowed to do anyway, of keeping my distances and my heights. So that's what I'm going to do for now. If it becomes an issue, then I'll ask Everton for permission. But yeah, until then. Right, so first port of call is this building at the bottom here, which I thought was going to be a hotel. It just shows what I know. It's the old pump house or hydraulic. Let me have a double check on that one. Yeah, the hydraulic tower / pump house. So it's not going to be a hotel, it's going to be form part of the new fan plaza, and it's going to be a cafe and a museum and a bar apparently. So one of the commenters told me, so yeah, I'd like to put that one straight. It's a listed building, by the way, so that's why it hasn't been knocked down. Everton are going to keep it and keep it part of the plans. So fair play to Everton for doing that. Now I'll get to the most important part where I need to correct myself, and that's regarding the stands. So I'm just going to skate round, and there's quite a bit of work being going on, as you can see from the last one. There's more cranes there for a start. So I'm going to get round and fly over the home end, which I got wrong in the last video. But I'm definitely going to correct myself in this one. So where I'm over now, looking down at there, is going to be the away end, which I thought was going to be the home end because there'd been more work done on that. I thought with a single tier stand it would have made more sense to start getting the majority of that in first, but no, that's why I'm not an architect. So the home end is there next to the dock, so let's just halt it there. That's going to be the home end, and that's going to be a 13,000 seater bank of seats, and according to one of the commenters, it's going to be the steepest in the country. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, because I know the top of the new main stand, that's quite steep, and I fell down that and spent the rest of the game apologising to everyone who I landed on. So yeah, watch yourself when you're in that stand. But yeah, and the capacity, I haven't been corrected on that, but I've been reliably informed that the capacity of the stadium is going to be around 53,000, but also they're going to have safe standing in place. So with that, they reckon it could rise to 60,000, which I don't want to call anyone out, but as far as I know, I'm aware of the safe standing policy. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, which someone's also commented on. So if you take out a seat, only one person is going to be able to stand in the place of that seat. So yeah, but that's the back of it. I was going to look from the back. Well, you can't really see the tick. What it's going to look like from the back because there's not much there, but it's next to the Nelson dock. Yeah, so unless they change the rules on the 1-to-1 ratio, then it can't go any higher, the capacity, but maybe they will, because I think they're just going to do the 1-to-1 ratio for now and see how it goes with the safety aspects of it. Okay, now also the sand I said was brought in from the bottom of the Mersey. I knew it was brought in from a body of water, I just couldn't remember where it was from, and I'd read it somewhere, and now it turns out it was taken from the Irish Sea, 30 miles out. Yeah, so yeah, it was dredged from the bottom of the Irish Sea and used to fill in the dock, which I still find amazing now. Where that pitch is, well, if we turn the picture of the way, going from left to right, that's where the dock was. So it was like this below me here, and then now it's like that, which I find brilliant. So yeah, what else do I need to correct myself on? Oh yeah, the military plane that went past in my last video was, I said it was a Hercules. I used to be in the army, I've flown out loads of Hercules. It looks like a Hercules to me, but someone told me it was a C-17 Globemaster military aircraft. But I do, the best thing about YouTube is this comment section is brilliant. It's, the interaction's great, and I like it where I can answer questions, or if people have got questions, other commenters jump on and answer the questions. So if anyone has got any questions regarding anything about the site, about the ground, about what's going to happen in the future, put it in the comments section and I'll do my best to find out, and I suppose other people in the know will answer the questions as well. Someone also asked what's going to happen to Goodson Park. Apparently it's going to get demolished, and it's going to be turned into some sort of centre, I think someone said. Yeah, community centre it's going to be turned into, so yeah. It's probably all part of Everton in the community, because they still got a base up there, haven't they, on Spellow Lane, so that would make sense. Yeah, but it's really taking shape. There's loads of work going on. There's more ironwork gone up on there. And it's looking really good. So I want to make sure I've covered everything before I leave the video. Yeah, that's everything I think I've corrected myself on now. So I'm going to have a little, try and get as close as I can within my limits, and see if there's anything else I can notice, because I'm looking at a phone screen, so there's something that is on there that I might not see straight away. But yeah, there's these new cranes for a start. There's definitely more work going on since I was last here. Oh, and another thing is down to the left hand side by the pump house. that's where the fan plaza is going to be. Which makes sense, straight off the road, straight into the fan plaza. Cafe, bar, yeah. Probably entertainment and all that going on match days, because clubs really go for it now, and keeping fans entertained and getting them in. Yeah, so there's that one. But this stand's really taking shape. So I suppose we're going to have to get this in so they can start getting the upper tier on, I suppose. If there's anything that people think I may have missed and want me to get a closer look at, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to accommodate that. I'm just gonna fly out over the Mersey a bit here. I just want to get because one shot I'm looking forward to getting, because my main hobby is photography, hence why I got 3 drones for photography. I want, once the ground is up, before Goodson Park comes down, is to get a shot of the old and new, if you like. So I'll do it from this way, so I will have the whole ground in there with Goodison in the background. But the camera on this drone is quite good. I should get a good high resolution for a big photograph, if you like, a big copy of it, so you can really see Goodson Park as well as this new grounds. But also I'm going to take it from Goodson Park as well, so I'm going to get right over Goodson Park, get the whole of Goodson Park in, and get a shot down of the waterfront and the new grounds once it's all completed. Which I can't wait to get. It should be a really good shot. Probably just give everyone else an idea, but I like to share. But yeah, so from there, yeah, that shot's going to look fantastic. It might even be better if I take it from over the water, so the Wallasey side, fly the drone over the Mersey and take it from there, maybe just with make sure I've got the drone in range of me controller. But yeah guys, I'll leave it there for now. Any more questions, let me know in the comments. If there's anything that I've got wrong, please correct me again. But I say the feedback's been brilliant from you all. I like the ones where they say, considering you're a red nose, a cop-eyed, you know what, I'm not one of them fans. So I'm not one of the fans who start slagging off, you know what I mean. I might have a laugh with my mates, that's about it, but yeah, I'm really not one of them fans, so it's fine. I want to see us all doing well, and hopefully Everton will do soon. So on that note, a little flyover, and I'll leave it there for today. I'll be back next Sunday. See if there's any more developments and if there's any more questions I need to answer. Okay, thanks again for watching. I'll see you all next week.